How you doing today? We're going to do the cabin filter in your Grand Cherokee 2011, 2019 should work. Okay. Oh, I already have the glove box down. What you're going to want to do is you're going to reach in here. You're going to pull out. You're going to reach over here. So you're going to push this in that way. Push that in that way. There's also sometimes a damper right here, but this one's missing it. Okay. So I've got that pulled out. And it comes down like that. Okay. Second thing you do is you reach up in here. And you pull this secondary one. Pull the tabs out of that one. That releases this here. Okay. Pull this out. Pull this out. And you look in there, look at all the crap's in there, huh? And you can see that it's all brown and nasty. So you take that down. Then the one I have is right here. It's the one I'm putting back. Okay, you want any arrows in here pointing down. And in lieu of arrows, you want the writing to be so that you can read it. Okay, I'm going to have to pull it out of the plastic. Okay, as you can see, my writing is facing up. My area is right there. You just take it and you slide it in there. Then you find your piece that you had down here. It goes in oriented this way so that you have the clip on the left-hand side. Then you push it in there. I'm trying to do this. Okay, you hook it over on the right side first, and you push it in until this clicks. You'll see that clicks right behind two little things back there. It's kind of a little hard to see. But anyway, and then you simply grab your other doohickey here, and you see the holes up there. You stick your in there. These go up into there, like so. Pretty easy. Okay, now you take your glove box and you make sure that all the little tabs in there fit. Then you press up. And I got something out of whack here, but I will take it apart and do it again, just to make sure. Okay, I realigned it, and now you just push up, and there you go. Your cabin filter is fixed. What did that take, 5 minutes? Okay. And if you have the dampener cord on this side, make sure you hook that in there. I don't see it, so I guess I don't have it. Then you pick up your trash and deposit it in the trash can. Easy peasy.